Hey friends, this is Alex. Today we are going to learn about fruits and benefits of having fruits in day-to-day life. So let's get started. Apples are crunchy and juicy. They are good for your teeth and gums because they help clean them when you bite into them. They also have vitamins that help keep you healthy and strong. Bananas are yellow and curved like a smile. They are full of energy that helps you run and play. Bananas have potassium, which is good for your muscles and helps them work well. Oranges are round and orange like the sun. They have lots of vitamin C, which helps keep you from getting sick. Eating oranges can also give you energy and keep your skin healthy. Grapes are small and come in different colors like green, purple, and red. They are sweet and yummy to eat. Grapes have antioxidants that help keep your body strong and healthy. Strawberries are red and heart-shaped. They taste sweet and are good for your heart because they have fiber and vitamins that keep your heart healthy. They are also fun to eat with friends. Watermelon is big and green on the outside with red juicy fruit inside. It's full of water, which keeps you hydrated and cool. Watermelon also has vitamins that help your body stay healthy. Pineapples are prickly on the outside and sweet inside. They are packed with vitamins and enzymes that help your body digest food and stay strong. Pineapples are like a tropical treat. Blueberries are small and blue like little balls. They are super good for your brain and help you think and remember things. Blueberries also have antioxidants that keep you healthy. Kiwi is brown and fuzzy on the outside, and green and juicy inside. It's full of vitamin C and fiber that helps your digestion. Kiwi is a tasty fruit that's fun to eat with a spoon. Mango is yellow or orange and shaped like a big egg. It tastes sweet and juicy and is full of vitamins that help your skin stay healthy. Mango is like a tropical treat that makes you smile. Cherries are small and round, usually red or dark red. They taste sweet and are good for your muscles because they help them stay strong. Cherries also have antioxidants that keep you healthy. Peaches are fuzzy and come in yellow or pinkish-orange colors. They are juicy and taste sweet. Peaches have vitamins that help your skin and eyes stay healthy. They are yummy to eat all by themselves or in a fruit salad. Pears are shaped like a chubby teardrop and can be green or yellow. They are juicy and have fiber that helps your tummy feel good. Pears also have vitamins that help your body stay strong. Raspberries are small and come in shades of red and sometimes black or gold. They are sweet and juicy. Raspberries have lots of fiber that helps your tummy feel full and healthy. Cantaloupe is a melon with a rough, netted skin and sweet orange flesh inside. It's full of water, which helps keep you hydrated and feeling good. Cantaloupe also has vitamins that are good for your eyes and skin. Apricots are small, round fruits with a smooth skin that can be yellow or orange. They are juicy and taste sweet. Apricots have vitamins that help your body use energy from food and stay strong. Plums are small and come in colors like purple, red, and yellow. They are sweet and juicy. Plums have fiber that helps your tummy feel good and vitamins that help keep your bones strong. Blackberries are small, round berries that are dark purple or black. They are sweet and juicy. Blackberries have antioxidants that help keep your body healthy and strong. Mandarins are small citrus fruits that are easy to peel and have a sweet taste. They are full of vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system strong and fights off colds and sickness. Remember, eating fruits every day is like giving your body a special treat that helps you grow, stay healthy, and have lots of energy to play and learn. Fruits are like a natural gift full of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that help your body stay strong and healthy. Eating a variety of fruits every day makes your body happy and gives you natural energy in your day-to-day activities.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. May I request you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun together.